Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. It's time to learn how to play the game Frog in the Meadow. But before we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you're staying up to date with all the videos that I'm uploading. Also, if you're not familiar with the song, be sure to check out my lyric and accompaniment video so that you're familiar for when we learn to play the game. So the game overall is really quite easy to play. You get your students standing in a circle, and they're going to be singing the song, and there's going to be one student that's going to be standing in the center of the circle. The student in the center is going to have their eyes closed, and they can even cover up their eyes with one hand and have the other hand out. They're going to be spinning around in a circle while everyone else is going to be stirring up the swamp. So that's going to go like this. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. Now, while they're stirring around like this, the froggy's spinning around, and they're going to land hopefully somewhere in between two students. And they're going to walk to those two students, and they're going to separate them. And those two students are going to run around the circle and try to get back to that froggy. And whoever touches the froggy first gets to be the new froggy in the center of the circle. So it's a really, really quick, easy game to get your kids moving to the song, and you can really see who's able to keep a beat as they're going like this. Frog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. If you want an add-on to the game, I do something with hand drums. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out the game extras for Frog in the Meadow. And if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and please be sure to share. That's all for today. I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.